On this week's episode, I'm going to be using my fire technique to paint up a couple of fire elemental minis. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here, and this week I am going to be taking some fresh from the printer 3D prints of some fire elementals, cleaning them up, and getting them ready for the tabletop. So I'm starting out by just removing the supports on these 3D prints, as you can see here. My weapon of choice is going to be a sharp pair of side cutters, and what I tend to do is I cut the supports in the middle of the support and then go in closer to the model to cut them again. That way I keep the model looking as pristine as I possibly can with precise cuts close to the model instead of just ripping the supports off. It's just my preferred method. Now, any of the little bumps that are left behind from removing the supports, you'll take a fine tooth file and you'll get those off of there prior to painting. It's always a good idea when you angle your print to make it so that the supports line up on the back. Now, after cleaning the model up, we're going to be priming this out in Vallejo's white surface primer. The white will be an excellent base coat for our fire effect, and don't be, shocked that you're going to have to do multiple coats of this over top of the black resin. With our supports removed and a couple of good base coats of white on our model, we're going to be using Golden's Hansa Yellow and Golden's Napathol Red in their transparent paint line to do our flame effect. Now I'll pour both of these colors out into my little dishes, and I will work with both of them at the same time. By blending them together like this, I'll get some orange gradients in the fire effect. Now, my very highest points are going to be mostly red, whereas the lower and deeper points on this model are going to be yellow, because those are typically the hottest points of the flame. And here you have it. You can't get much simpler than this paint scheme, using white, red, yellow, and then you could throw black in there for painting out the rim of the bases. It is an awesome effect that looks great on the tabletop. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.